up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha. This is Aisha's Life, and today we have a unboxing, but it's not an unboxing, but it's an unboxing. I have some boob tape that the VBT company sent me from Amazon. This wasn't paid, like they just sent it to me to see if I like it and to see how it works on us big girls. So let me show y'all everything that comes inside the box so we can get into it. First, it does come with two types of nipple covers. Nipple covers. So I'm gonna show y'all what that looks like here in a second. Two different colors of boob tape. I think I'm gonna use this one today so that y'all can see, like, it does lift. But it's a trial and error because it's really my first time. I practice, that's how I use so much of this one. So hopefully today we don't have too many problems. Then you have some more like boob tape to actually help it stay even more secure and all that good stuff, because it is that time of the year where you're trying to wear things that have, you know, no sleeves or low cut or something like that, and you just need it. So yeah. Also, if you want to use my discount code, all the links would be down in the description box that you need. It'll be the first things down there. So let's get into this tape, okay? Okay, so I put on the dress I'm wearing for our wedding reception, and I put the nipple covers on. They're silicone. They're flat. You can't even tell that I have them on, I don't think. So now what I'm about to do is tape right here on the sides of my breast, like right here, to like bring that in a little bit and give like a lifted look. So give me 1 second. I don't know if y'all can tell the difference, but like I can feel a difference. So this is the breast that wasn't, I should have asked y'all which one this is. Wait, anyways, this is the boob that doesn't have the tape on it. This is the boob that does. And it lifted it up. Like I put one like right here, I put one like right here, and then there's one right under it. So it kind of like pulled it up. And it's definitely sitting up a little better than the other one. With more practice, I definitely would get used to putting this on because I've never worn boob tape before. But with this dress, I'm gonna have to because I'm gonna be around family and stuff, and I don't want it's already low cut on the side, you know what I'm saying? So I don't want too much happening, but I want the girls to be lifted because I'm not wearing a bra. Clearly with this type of dress, you just can't, so yeah. So I even put my original clothes back on with my sports bra. And you know, sports bras already kind of like suck you in, but this one I've been wearing it for a while, right? But it still gave this breast a lift with the boob tape on. So I definitely say that this is a really good enhancement to like everyday wear if you were to wear these tapes every single day. If you're interested in any of these VBT tapes, definitely hit them up down in the description box down below. Happy taping!